because now you can build business credit, and you can do corporate leasing, and you're going to get your very first property in 30 days or less when you listen what I'm about to tell you. Here's what you're going to do from here. Okay? Get that process started. And while that process is started, don't slow up on everything else. The next step is, while that's all going on, is you're going to go to Zillow.com. You can go to Realtor.com as well. It's another great place to find rentals. But I like to use Zillow. But Realtor.com is another option. When you go to Zillow.com, all you're going to do is you're going to type in one of the cities that I'm going to give you. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, Midwestern cities, okay? Great right now for Airbnb. I'm telling a lot of people right now, go to Midwestern United States. Cities right there doing really well. Okay, I'll give you another few really good cities. Chicago, okay? Right outside of Atlanta. I will tell you Charlotte, Nashville, Miami, outside of Miami, right? Not actually in the city. Instead of being in a major hub where you're going to have a lot of competition, find cities that are about a 15 to 20 minute drive at the very most around the major cities. That's your nugget for the day, okay? So, like for example, if you're in Chicago, you have Aurora. If you're in Miami, you might have, Fort Lauderdale, right? So, Waco, Texas, St. Augustine, Florida, Jacksonville Beach, Florida. You might be, somewhere in Santa Clarita, California. I'm giving you some cities right now, because what I did is I took 20,000 cities in America, and I said, hey, let's take these 20,000 cities and boil it down to what I believe in 2024 will be the best 20 cities to start your Airbnb business in. Okay? And I just gave you a bunch of ideas. So when you go to Zillow.com, type in the city that I just gave you. Okay? And you'll pop on the right-hand side. You're going to see all the rentals in that city. Now, here's the kicker. Remember I told you how important it was for these people to be in pain? Watch what I do. Here's the gem right here. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take a second, subscribe to the channel. Send me a nice comment, man. Send me something cool. And let me say what's up to you and do a shout out for you. And make sure you turn on your notifications so every single day as I'm doing videos, you guys are getting knowledge. Okay? No fluff, just all real stuff. But here we go. You're going to see a little button that says more. And when you click on that button, you're going to see where it comes down. It says, how long has a property been listed? This is your golden nugget. You want to click that button and it'll have a drop down. You want to select 36 months. Why is this important? Because check this out. If a property has been listed for 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 7 months, a year, guess what? The landlord is willing to not only negotiate, but they're willing to accept Airbnb, right? They're in pain. They haven't been able to rent yet. Maybe it's because of pictures, maybe because the price is too high. Whatever, they're in pain. They own a property. They're trying to rent, but they're not able to. So you catch a landlord where there's pain, there's gain for us as an Airbnb host. So now in a case like this, right? Think about this. You've got a person who's in pain, and now what I'm going to share with you what to do is we're going to send them an amazing script that's going to have them eating out of your hands. Okay? So if you filter it by, property's been listed for several months, now it's going to pull up all the properties that are for rent in that city we selected. Let's say St. Augustine, Florida, Waco, Texas, okay, Nashville, Tennessee, whatever, okay? Santa Clarita, Jacksonville Beach, Florida, maybe a couple of Philadelphia, Aurora, Illinois, right? Fort Lauderdale, Naples. So you selected those cities. Okay, now, LG, Georgia. What you're going to do is on the right-hand side, when you see all the rentals, you've already filtered it by properties that have been listed for a long time. When you click on one of the properties, you're going to be able to see the actual property. And what I want you to do is I want you to take my script and in comments, just put the word script. And then I'll connect with you directly and I'll send you the script that we use. My paid students get the same script. Okay? They'll literally be eating out of your hand. So, just put the word script in the comment box. When you click on the property itself, you're going to see a little thing when you scroll down when you're looking at the property. You're going to see a thing on Zillow that says, ask a question. So let's say we filtered a property. We filtered it by 3 to 4 months. It popped up all the properties. If you just click on one of the houses and you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to ask a question to the owner of the property. When you click that button, it's going to pop up a screen. You're going to take my script and you're going to put the script, copy the script into the ask a question box. Here's what's going to happen. If you do 10 of these, which by the way should take you no more than 5 minutes, we get about a 10 to 20% return of landlords looking to do business. I told you this video is about how to get your first property in 30 days less. And I'm gonna give you the solution right here. Go to Zillow. Filter by the city I told you. Filter by property that's been listed for several months. Click on a property, take my script, put it in the ask a question box. Do that 10 times. When I say do it 10 times, select another house in the same city. It's gonna have all the houses right there for rent. So select another house. Ask a question, take the script, boom, pop there. Pick another house, boom. Do that 10 times in, say, Tampa, Florida, right? St. Augustine, Florida. Do that 10 houses. Do that to 10 houses. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna get probably 2, 3, just out of 10 scripts. You're gonna get 2 to 3 landlords that will come back and say, hey, let's work together. Tell me more. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not taken a second, please subscribe to the channel. Send me a message. Let me know if you want the script by putting the word script in comments, and I will send it right over to you. I'll ask for your email, and then we'll connect, okay? I'm here to help you. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and thank you for wanting to do better. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. It's 2024. It's time to frickin' crush it. I'll see you guys on the inside. Let me know if you need my help.